Why did we challenge Buster to another race when we obviously knew we were going to win, Monty?
What do you mean we?
Oh, hey, whoa. Oh my goodness.
Now,
None shall pass.
Seriously, Brenda? I don't have time for this.
It doesn't matter if you're in a hurry or not when you're on the wrong side of the road.
Wait, what? Ugh, please, Brenda, just let me through.
Nope, not until you give a speech about what you will do in the future.
In future, I will not drive on the wrong side of the road, and I will obey all the rules and regulations and make this a peaceful place for everyone in the world.
Good. Also, Monty,
What now?
Buster's driver is giving my driver 20 pounds to do this.